trotters in the stretch. At the first start pole, here they come. And they're off. Storm Winds jumping it off before the start. Out for the lead goes DC Jailbird. To the inside, it's Mr. Santa Cruz. And from the outside, Swan Dance trots away well on third. Mr. Cantab Limit coming away fourth as they head of the first turn. Jailhouse Mickey is fifth. Inside, Red Shooter trots in the sixth. Then it's Major Starbuck seventh, and the trailer off stride is Storm Winds around the turn at 28-1 for the opening quarter time. As they trot onto the backstretch with the lead, it's DC Jailbird. The lead 2.5 lengths. Mr. Santa Cruz to the inside is second, then a gap of 3.5, 4 lengths now. As they head over towards the half, Mr. Cantab Limit. The breaker there was Swan Dance. Jailhouse Mickey is another 5 lengths for the back in fourth as they speed past the half, 57-3. And DC Jailbird cruising along here by 2. Mr. Santa Cruz on the inside. The closest in the second. Still some 3 lengths for the back 2. Mr. Cantab Limit, and Jailhouse Mickey is fourth. Red Shooter trots in fifth. Swan Dance back trotting now as they circle the turn. They come to the 3/4 mile marker. DC Jailbird has been in charge from the start. Mr. Santa Cruz still there. Within striking distance comes Mr. Cantab Limit. He's just 3 lengths off the leader now. 128-1 at 3/4. DC Jailbird, Mr. Santa Cruz is all out chasing second then. And to the outside, Mr. Cantab Limit continues to rally well. Jailhouse Mickey for the back in fourth. To the outside, Red Shooter. And down to the inside, coming through, it's Swan Dance. Final 16th is DC Jailbird. DC Jailbird, Jailhouse Mickey emerging between horses. DC Jailbird to win in 2 minutes 1/5. Unofficial winner number 5, DC Jailbird. Second, the 6, Jailhouse Mickey. Third, the 7, Mr. Cantab Limit. Fourth, the 8, Swan Dance. Back to the winner's circle, the 5, DC Jailbird, trotting to his first win of the season in 2 minutes 1/5. DC Jailbird, a 3-year-old together son of Jailhouse Jesse out of Bear Wine Lovely by Angus Hall. Leroy Kemp of Lagodi, Indiana, the owner. Les Rayber trains, Sam Widger drives. 13th race is official. No changes in the 14th race. Race 14 offering the 20-cent Hoosier High Five.